Hi everyone, my name is Norman and today I want to show you how to knit front and back. KFB is an easy left slanting increase for beginners. Because it creates these little bars here, it is also known as bar increase. So let's show you how it's done. Here's how to knit one front and back. First, you have to knit one stitch. But now don't slip it on the right needle, keep it on the left needle. And insert the right needle into the back loop of the same stitch like this. And then wrap the yarn around the needle counterclockwise and pull through. And now you can slip the stitch. And here is your knit front and back. Let's do it one more time. Knit one stitch, keep it on the left needle, insert the right needle into the back loop of the same stitch and knit it through the back loop like this. And here is your second KFB. Let's do it one last time. Knit one stitch, insert the right needle into the back loop of the same stitch, wrap the yarn around the needle counterclockwise, pull through and slip the stitch. It's that simple. A lot of knitters don't like this increase because of the bar it creates here. But there's an easy way to avoid this and I'm quickly going to show you how. So you start with knitting one stitch and keeping it on the left needle, just like before. But now you insert the needle into the back loop and you don't knit it, you just slip it onto the right needle. And that's it. That's your KFB or knit front, slip back. Let's do it one more time. We knit one stitch, keep the stitch on the left needle, insert the right needle into the back loop and slip it. One last time. It's really easy. Knit one stitch, insert the needle into the back loop and slip it. That's it. Let's take a look at what we created. On the right side is the regular KFB with the bar, and on the left side is the knit front slip back alternative, and there is no bar. So where's the catch? Well, the knit front slip back tends to create, well, not exactly eyelets, but you know, little holes. So it's not perfect either. And these bars, they can be quite pretty in some patterns, but if you don't want them, then the knit front slip back is a viable alternative. If you want an even more invisible increase, then you have to knit KLL, knit left loop. I'm going to link my video up in here so you can take a look. Anyways, that's it. That's how you knit front and back. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if you liked it. Consider subscribing to my channel and see you in the next video. Happy knitting!